guys, what's up? It's Maria and welcome to today's video. I thought today I would do another vlog. I've really been enjoying vlogging, so I just thought I'd do another one for you guys. It is Friday, May 1st, which is so exciting because it's finally May. We're finally out of April. Hopefully we'll get to do more stuff in May and we'll be let out of quarantine and stuff, but I obviously don't know. But we'll see. It's an exciting month. Oh, I gotta flip my calendar. Hold on. Here we go. This is the April calendar. I love this calendar because it's a new city every month. Oh, pretty. My grandma gets me this calendar every single year, and I love it because I love all the cities. So thank you, Nona. Today is Friday, May 1st, and that means it's my rest day. I don't have to work out, which is so exciting. And I also don't have school because they originally gave us this day off for prom. Obviously, we don't have prom, which I'm fine with. A lot of people are really upset about it. But we don't have prom, and so they were like, oh, we'll still give you the day off of school, which was so nice. But every teacher and their mother assigned me a project this week, so I have to write a screenplay for film that's due at 11 this morning. I already took a one-day extension on it, and I kind of worked on it yesterday, but I didn't work on it all the way because I was just so worn out from this week, and I didn't do it. So I have to do that this morning, and I have to have breakfast because I'm starving. So I'm gonna go have breakfast because I'm really hungry, and I will catch up with you guys while I'm making my breakfast. Also, look how pretty this tree is. Oh, you can't freaking see it. Look at that. Look at all the flowers. Oh, so pretty. I will see you all in the kitchen. Hello everyone, so it's a little bit later now. I finished breakfast. I don't know if you guys could see in the clip where I was making my breakfast, but essentially I was trying to cut this avocado, okay? And it was the most unripe avocado I've ever cut in my entire life. Legitimately, it took me about 20 minutes to cut this avocado. And when I ate it, it was chewy. I've never had a crunchy, chewy avocado. I don't know. It was disgusting. If you have an unripe avocado, just wait for it to ripe. I did not. I was so impatient. I was so dedicated to this freaking avocado. And I was just I'm not going to not use it because I wanted avocado so bad. But just let it ripe. Don't do what I did because it was actually horrible. So now it's a little bit later. It's 9:18 a.m. I finished my schoolwork assignment, so that's all done, which feels really great to have that done because now I have no responsibilities going into the weekend. And today's just a chill day. We don't have much planned. We're throwing a little quarantine party for my sister later today because yesterday or 2 days ago was her official last day of high school. And so we wanted to throw her a little something because obviously there's no prom, no graduation, no last day of high school for seniors, so we just thought we'd do something. Obviously it's not too big of a deal, but also today I want to tackle my bathroom. I did a while ago I did a clean with me on my main channel. Well, obviously this is my main channel, but for a main channel video, and I just kind of cleaned out these drawers, but they kind of just got messy again. It's obviously not horrible or anything. That's pretty bad down there. It's not horrible. It's still fairly organized, but I just want to get rid of all the expired products and just kind of clean it out a little bit. I feel like I have too many products and I want to get more products to try out. So I want to clear out the products that are expired or overused and just clean this all up. So I'm probably going to do that later today as well. But for right now, we're just kind of hanging out as a fam in the kitchen, and I will catch up with you guys a little bit later. I just wanted to update the vlog because I didn't remember the last time that I did it, so love y'all. So it's been a little bit since I last talked to you. My mom and I went to the grocery store together. I used to love going to the grocery store. So did my mom. We actually talk about this a lot, but now it's just such a stressful environment. It's so weird seeing everyone in masks and stuff like that. Now it's just not fun anymore, and having to wash the groceries when we get back. Obviously, we have to take the measures for health stuff, but it still kind of sucks and it's really annoying, and especially because I love the grocery store and now I just don't enjoy it as much. And then we just came back, we chilled a little, and we had lunch. I prepared the Trader Joe's brown rice miso kit sort of thing. That thing is so good. Honestly, Trader Joe's is my favorite grocery store of all time. Every time I shop there, the food is impeccable. I had a burrito the other day from Trader Joe's, like a frozen burrito, and it was so good. And so honestly, I've just really been loving their food lately, and it's great because they have prepared stuff. So we can get it, put it in the freezer, leave it in the fridge, and then it takes like 5 minutes to prepare it all. So that has been really prime A1 fire. So now it is currently 12:34, and I'm going to, like I said earlier, clean out my bathroom. That's why I'm sitting on my bathroom ground. And I just want to go through the drawers and stuff. So I thought it would be fun to time lapse it for you guys. So I'm going to start going through that, and I will catch up with you all when I hit a stopping point. Also, for the jams I'm going to play today, let's see. Does anyone else agree with me that listening to music on a speaker is just so much better than listening to music not on a speaker? This is my JBL Charge 3. It's the best speaker of all time. I love it so much. Oh, it's almost dead. I love it so much. It's so great. Music quality is really great on it, and it's waterproof, which is nice. I've been listening to a lot of old One Direction recently because they're coming back, but I don't know if I'm in that mood. I don't know. I'm just going to put on a random playlist. I'm putting on this one, Cooking Together with Troye Sivan. I don't know if that's going to focus, but we're going to listen to it and see how it goes.
Hey, what's up? It's Troye Sivan. I hope you are
Troy,
safe and
love
I hope
you.
you're well.
Okay, so that is everything in the bathroom cleaned out. Obviously, it didn't take that long. It only took me like an hour or so just because I didn't have that much to do. Like I said, I just did it, I want to say almost before Christmas or maybe a little bit after. I'm not entirely sure. But it just was like expired products clean out. This is what it looks like. Just a little bit more clean and organized. Here I have like my everyday products. So my Soy Fresh face cleanser, my Origins Tea Tree moisturizer, Laneige Holy Grail lip mask, and my sunscreen. And here are some products I don't like use as much, like a lip scrub and some serums and stuff. And then this is masks and like medical creams, like Allegro for when I have a rash. And then here I have an excessive amount of Old Spice Fiji. If you don't know, I use men's deodorant just because it works better than women's deodorant. This is like bath bombs and stuff. I didn't really clean this out too much, but I just have some Lush. It's mainly just Lush stuff, and my dry brush, which I've been loving, by the way. Here, I just kind of made this look nicer. I didn't get rid of much in here, but in here I just have all of my hair products and stuff like that, and I have some like dermatologist stuff over there. In here I just have all of my like not as much used products or products that are too tall for my drawers. So like over there is my everyday products are in this bigger bin. So I have my lotion, my toner, my cotton rounds, and my other dermatologist stuff, and like hydrogen peroxide and rubbing alcohol for like when I'm swimming and I need to get the water out of my ears. And then over here are like spare bath products. So I have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, shaving creams. Those are the freaking things that they give you at Claire's whenever you get your ears pierced. I've gotten mine 3 times. So I have so much of that stuff. If you need it, let me know. I'll ship it to you. And then just like all the fragrances. I have all the freaking Bath and Body Works ones from when I was in middle school still. I still can't get through them. And then like some other fancier ones, and then extra toothbrushes and a towel. Over here I just again made this look nicer. I have a hairbrush, some other things, I don't know, Band-Aids that has this really cute old man. Look how cute he is. Oh. Those are my Band-Aids, and then like Neosporin retainers, basic everyday stuff. And then this is all the stuff that I was holding on to that's expired. This is expired in 2017, and I just had no idea. So all this stuff is getting recycled or thrown out. So these are products that I've used up or are just expired. So anyway, so now that that's done, it's currently, I don't know if it's focused, it's currently 12:59, and I think that we're gonna go for a walk because you guys look how it's gonna be so overexposed. Hold on. Look how nice it is outside. And like the sun is beaming into my room down here and on the floor. Oh, the first sunny 50-degree day that we've had in probably 2 or 3 weeks. Last time it was this warm, we went up tanning. That was an experience. That was really fun. But I think we're gonna go for a walk and just enjoy the rest of the day, and I'll catch up with you guys when we are back from our walk. So it's a little bit later now. It's currently 2:06, and everyone just went on a walk without me, which is fine. I don't care. My parents went alone, and my sister wanted to go with a friend. So now I'm here in the house by myself, and it's 61 degrees. The UV index is a 7, which is so rare for Michigan. So I think there's like this really cute little sunny patch on my deck over there. So I think I'm gonna go do some yoga. I need my mat, which is all the way downstairs, so it's so annoying. But recently, I have been loving doing yoga. I got really into it like a year or so ago because I'm a swimmer and I work out all the time, and so I'm always sore. Oh my god, I'm really winded from those stairs. So I've been really loving doing yoga as a form of recovery on rest days because I'm also not the best at rest days. They don't give, like, I have a lot of energy, and so I need to move my body in some sort of way every day. It doesn't really matter what kind of way it is. And whoa, I'm so winded from the stairs. Hold on. So I have to do like some sort of workout exercise, and because no one invited me on the walk, which I'm still kind of offended by, I'm going to do some yoga. I need my computer because I think I'm gonna do either like Sienna Elise has some really, I think that's how you say her name. I have no idea. I'm so sorry if I butchered that, but she has some really good yoga on her channel. And then Peloton Yoga, I love. We have the membership. Aloe Yoga also posts some really good stuff on their channel. So I'm gonna set up my mat and do some yoga. And I thought I'd take you along with me. A lot later now. I just want to come on and end the vlog here. Basically, after you guys saw me last, I went for a walk. I listened to my favorite podcast. My favorite podcast at the moment is the Health Code podcast. It's pretty much the only podcast that I listen to. I'm not a huge podcast girl, and I only really listen to podcasts when I go on walks by myself, which isn't very often, but when I do listen to podcasts, I love the Health Code podcast by Sarah's Day. I'll link it down below. It's literally the best. She just talks about health, fitness, and like mental health and stuff, and it's just one of my favorites to listen to, and it's very educational, and also they're Australian, so I love their voices. And then we came back and we just kind of celebrated my sister getting into college because we're proud of her for that. And we had mahi burgers with like guacamole. She loves Mexican food, so we had a Mexican night for her, and it was just like really cute, and I just felt like chilling with my family. I didn't want to vlog it because it's a little ako taco, you know what I mean? So I just kind of chilled. And now it is 9 o'clock and I'm super duper tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. And I will see you all in the next video that I upload. I try to upload every single Monday at 3 p.m. Eastern, not 3 p.m. Eastern time. That was my old upload time. I've been uploading around 10, so, but I can't make any guarantees. But I will upload every single Monday. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below your favorite dinner that you had this week. I'll see you all in the next video. I love you so much. Goodbye.